MagnatesMedia has become one of the best documentary channels on YouTube throughout these few years and might end up becoming the best of all time. MagnatesMedia is a documentary channel that produces mini movies about business and money that owned by John Fraser. He called this as a slightly more productive version of Netflix. So in this video, let us dive into the 5 success metrics of the first and sister of future documentary, MagnatesMedia. John posted his first video in 2019 and most of his videos are about solid business and money fundamentals instead of documentary. Until the end of 2020, he posted his life-changing video, Why Jeff Bezos Owns Everything. This is the first viral documentary video that deeply impacts his future videos. But even he posted the Jeff Bezos video, he still didn't go all in into the topics. In my opinion, maybe he thought this is just a lot or it's not fresh enough as there are also many brilliant documentaries uploaded on YouTube. But reversely, he also did more experiments to explore the only winning topics for him. From the start to stable, he totally posted 155 videos in 2 years to form his current style in terms of editing. And he then posted another 23 videos in the next 6 months to finally find his own winning topics. And the video to stabilize his success is the murderous rise of Russia's billionaires movie. After posting this video, he constantly posted people are becoming millionaires from Snapchat, this is how. Following by how WhatsApp makes money, the insane story of WhatsApp. At this moment, his own success niche is formed, and that is with big companies or individuals documentary. From the start to becoming stable, he totally used 2.5 years. As a result, most of his current videos can easily surpass 1 million views in just a few days. And this insane evolution is coming from his patience and the strong mentality of always experimenting and improving. John combines his video idea with the big name like LV, Louis Vuitton, KFC, Nike, Red Bull, and many other big brands. These names personally contain their own high attention, thus this trait is utilized by John in order to spread to a larger audience. However, at the same time, the competition is also crazily insane. But our John had done all the preparations like the best editing, the best hooks, the best package, and the best storytelling. If a channel is not doing the right thing, the larger audience will only destroy his channel. But when a channel is deserving the high attention, the larger audience will become the catalyst to boost the views. Let's dissect John's title and thumbnail strategy. The title he puts is absolutely revolutionary in documentary niche. As we know that documentary is basically about the story presentation. So the common or traditional title we see include like The Rise of Nike, Story of Nike, How One Man Built a $1 billion brand called Nike. But his title is How a Kid with $0 created Nike. This made him stand out against the rest who still use traditional titles. And this left me a question, was Nike really created by a kid from scratch? And how did he do it? This made me feel so compelled to click on it and watch. Another example is the poor boy who created Honda. The poor boy is the craze point and the Honda is the attention point. Next, his thumbnail is very sick, plus he is gonna revolutionize the industry. His thumbnail design is very unique and could not ever be duplicated and copied. The elements we can see he included in his thumbnail are fantasy elements. This is the creativity but not any more same or copyable formula. Thus his video inspirations and CTR will not be low forever. If you call this video as mini movie, his thumbnail will be the movie poster. And here's the thumbnail design at the beginning. And then the current thumbnail. His upgrade is really crazy and inspiring. Absolutely, this is called as high quality plus high performance thumbnail. This is caused by his smooth style editing.
Alcatraz, the most infamous high-security prison in the world, was where Victor Lustig was heading. Victor had just been captured after running a counterfeit banknote operation that was so big it posed a serious risk to the entire economy.
The edit is absolutely a banger. And this edit is going to revolutionize the YouTube documentary ecosystem. Even this edit seems far from us, but we still can learn some tactics to improve our video editing performance. For example, the pacing is fast, as it changes visually every 1 to 5 seconds. Use various turn effects whenever you want to change to different visuals. Use text on screen as strong support to increase the audience understandings. Then, use images to increase the audience imagination and utilize the sound effects properly and sparingly. Additionally, his voiceover is clean and exciting, which makes us as viewers also feel the energy, the excitement. This is a great and strong trait to hook and keep the audience longer. I can feel the efforts he put on planning, scripting, editing, designing and optimizing are immeasurable. Now he posts about 3 to 4 videos a month, but the quality of his video is guaranteed. So even he had more than 1 week to produce, he still put his most efforts on producing every single piece of content just to make sure the quality is peak at all times. So after the rise of MrBeast, YouTube is more towards to the side of quality but not quantity. Thus, even if you don't post that much but the quality is good, then you should not worry too much, as MagnatesMedia has proved quality is everything on YouTube. So in order to not wasting your quality time or producing quality video but with bad video idea and unable to get more views, you must use vidIQ. Now go to vidIQ.com/financialartist and you can get a free 30-day trial to use vidIQ. Again, check the link in the description for more details, and I promise vidIQ will save you so much time to help you find the next viral idea. So, will your channel be the next to go viral on YouTube?